West African style spiced chicken skewers. Here's how you make the delicious street food known as chicken suya. So first of all, we're going to start off with 4 regular chicken breasts, and you're just going to take anything you can find in the kitchen to flatten these out. Once you have smashed and flattened your chicken, get a sharp knife and you want to cut the chickens in half, also known as butterflying the chickens. Again, we're just getting it nice and thin, which helps it cook a lot easier and to absorb all of the flavors much better as well. Finally, you want to slice your chicken into little chunks, and this is what we're going to put on our wooden skewers later on. So once that is done, you want to take this chicken and then you want to clean it with water and lemon or water and vinegar. And then we're going to start to season it. So starting with some salt, black pepper, and the most important ingredient, our Suya spice. Get some kitchen gloves and massage that all in thoroughly. Make sure every piece of chicken is nicely coated in that delicious seasoning. Separately, we're also going to make some seasoning paste. So we're just going to take some Suya spice, mix it together with some oil, and we're going to use this on our chicken later on. Now I'm taking some wooden skewers that I've actually been soaking in water for 30 minutes. You want to soak it so that it doesn't burn when you're grilling it. And then I'm going to take all of those chicken pieces and just place them onto the skewers like so. Then you're going to see I'm taking a kitchen brush and I'm taking that paste that we made earlier on and spreading this all over the chicken. You want to spray the chicken with some oil so that it doesn't stick, and then you want to grill the chicken for 30 minutes. We're going to turn it halfway through later in the process. Now I'm just chopping up some of the vegetables that I'm going to eat my suya with. So suya is regularly eaten with cucumbers, tomatoes, and also red onion. But clearly you can eat your suya with whatever you want. Some people also like to eat it with peppers. But the freshness of the vegetables together with the smoked meat just tastes absolutely delicious. So here I am just turning my chicken after 15 minutes, and again I'm going to take what's left of that paste and spread it over the chicken. You want to take this away and grill it for a final 15 minutes, and there you have your absolutely delicious chicken suya, a very popular street food, easy and quick to make, also known to some as the West African kebab. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.